Musiende kupiga kifua mkisema sisi ndio serikali tutashinda, mupende musipende. Hapana. That is not the style of President William Ruto, who is our party leader. So we want you to look for this vote with humility. Ongeeni na wananchi with humility. Itisheni kura with humility. And I'm sure you will bring that seat home if you do that. Even hiyo itawezekana? Itawezekana? And you know the danger of a ruling party is once people think you're coming na kifua ya serikali, it can work against you. So please, munyenyekee vile tulinyenyekea mara ya kwanza, hata hii tutanyenyekea, hata 2027 tutanyenyekea. The one thing you can be sure of is you have 101% support of the party leader and the deputy party leader. So muende uko, mungangane, and I'm sure UDA will emerge victorious in all the seats that we are going to be fielding candidates in the next elections that are coming. And to the candidates, best wishes, Godspeed, and just know that you are the flag bearer of the UDA party in your ward, in your constituency. We'll all be looking up to you to deliver this seat, but we'll support you the much we can so that you can be able to deliver this seat. May God bless you so much, and we look forward to coming mashinani kutafuta kura pamoja na nyinyi. God bless you all. Asanteni sana. UDA, UDA, UDA. Na tunasema ni nini? Tunasema ni nini? Asante sana. Thank you very much.